Mastering Everyday English. Low on ink, explained. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into the world of everyday English phrases that can sometimes be puzzling. We'll be unraveling the meaning behind the phrase, low on ink. So, grab your notebooks, and let's get the learning started. Low on ink literally refers to the state where an ink-containing device, like a printer or a pen, is running out of ink. It's a straightforward expression used to indicate that the remaining ink is not sufficient for the task at hand. Sometimes, low on ink can be used figuratively. In a broader sense, it could imply that someone is running out of resources or energy. For example, if someone says they are low on ink after a long day, they mean they are tired and have little energy left. Let's see how to use low on ink in sentences. 1. My printer is low on ink. Could you please replace the cartridge? 2. I feel like I'm low on ink today. I might head to bed early. Understanding synonyms can expand your vocabulary. Here are a few: running low, running out, nearly empty, in need of a refill. And there you have it. You're no longer low on knowledge when it comes to the phrase, low on ink. Use it confidently in your daily conversations. Remember, English is a journey, and every phrase you learn is a step forward. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.